In this video, I will show you how to get Wise Referral Bonus. So from your Wise home screen, you're going to click on the top right where you see earn 90 euros, or when you are in another currency, this will say something equivalent to 90 euros. So let's say $95. So go ahead and click on this. And as you can see, it says share Wise and earn 90 euros. So what you need to do for this is share Wise with 3 friends and earn 90 euro for yourself. And your friends will get a free card or 0 fees on a transfer up to 500 euros. So you will see your personal link in here. And when you scroll down, you will see some more details on what you need to do. So each of your friends will need to transfer and or spend on a Wise card at least 250 euro or equivalent. And this total can be reached over multiple transactions. So there are some things that you need to keep in mind. But if you click on Share Wise down below, you will see various options to share your link immediately with friends. So you can also track your referrals by clicking on the top right. And in here, you can see people that you have referred. So you can see the status and how close you are to receiving the bonus. So that is how you get the Wise Referral Bonus. If you want to get started with Wise yourself, then go ahead and check the link in the description where I have my link inserted. And with this way, you can start with actually getting a free transfer up to 500 euros or a free card or 0 fees. So that is a nice way to start. And after you have this bonus, you can start referring friends yourself. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.